Yo, what up? Doing a little bit of live backtesting right now. This week we got 2025 May 1st, or the first week of May. So just setting that up right now, and then we'll get right into it. Okay. So on the daily, inside of this daily up here, delivering from this daily. Mm. Inside of this 4-hour bullish as well. Typically when we're in between two higher time frame PDAs like this, it's not really anything that you want to be putting any capital on. So just take a look at London session. Stacked London and Asia above. If we get, oh, there's really. We're just ranging inside of this value gap. We're accumulating a lot. If we get a 932 just down here to target these highs. PMI at 10. Big manipulation down. We have a bullish S&T. This could be the Judas we're looking for. Just makes sense though. Something that just swept a bunch of liquidity inside of a 15-minute fair value gap. I think I just want to wait and use this as my condition. Okay. We're gonna take the DOLs here. This PMI came out. Bullish as hell. ES definitely took all of that. Asia high is still intact. I kind of want to see a remanipulation of this level if I'm going to take a short off of this. But again, we're inside of a 4-hour bullish fair value gap. I don't know if I want to short this. Now we're inside of a bearish for it. Yeah. This is pretty fucking bad. Just like, honestly, I'm just going to skip this day. But daily fair value gap up here. 4-hour bullish. 4-hour bearish just opened up. No point to trade this.
Said you weren't sure. Don't you want to see what else is out there? Well, that's exactly why I went to Paris last year, but there's a reason that I was drawn back home. I'm just not sure that
I don't want to take longs out of this level. No news. Hoping price. Hey, what up, brother? How we doing? Hold on, let me pull the chat up on my Let me pull it up on my phone.
They're out of high school now. Bro, they were literally just freshmen like
Really?
not too long ago.
You can't hear me? Come on, sec. You're okay. One sec. You probably still can't hear me. One sec. Give me a sec. How about now? Can you hear me? Yo. You can hear me. Can you see as well? Hey, it's going good, brother. How we doing? How we doing? Didn't miss much. I'm just doing a little back test for the YouTube. Did you take that short today? Ooh, yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, statistical loss. I posted an L on in my trade recap thing. It was a 2 minute right before 10 o'clock. I thought that was the fucking short everybody took today, because I wasn't really on the charts. I was working. So, but yeah, that's not a bad loss. The Judases have been fucking cooking everything. So, I probably would have taken it too. Definitely on an eval. Anyway, so we have a 4-hour dealing range right here. We have discount inside of this daily and 4-hour bullish for value gap. No news today. Kind of want to see this level get hit, and then if I think I'm really bullish here, to be honest. Even though since we're going down super choppy, it doesn't really want to, like, there's no death candles. Even though we inverse this 4-hour, I don't really see bearishness at all. We're not delivering. We're delivering from this one. Alright, let's see. A lot of LR building as well. Okay, so we just inversed every single 5. I don't want to take any longs until we take this level. That's what I like to see. ES made it equal. No. Didn't mitigate that 15. So I can still got something intact over here. Let me actually mark out. If we sweep this, which we did, could see movement off of that. But, I mean, this little baby point sweep isn't really what you want to just take longs off of. But, I mean, if we show heavy displacement out of this level, then I'm open. 1 minute candle just completely diddied into this 5 minute. We still have discount of the range, so there is, yeah. We still have discount of the range. So I think typically we could resweep or remanipulate into this level, but it is 90 points away. If anything, I could just use, because there's still like so much up here, right? So even if we do displace heavy into this level, or out of this, we got to see what we do with these 5 minute gaps. So. Okay. That's tragic. Yeah, we're just inversing everything over here. You can play your show, dude. I don't care. I'm gonna try to whisper. That's shitty. Given the current SIG, this 1 minute isn't that bad. Like, that's just a guy watching the live. Like, it's obviously invalid. I wouldn't take a funded on this ever. Probably not even on an eval, because we have a reason to remanipulate. But, I mean, if you take this, you're a pattern trader. Just kidding. But this isn't really A+ at all. If there's a reason to manipulate your stop loss, don't take the trade. What is this?
It's okay, it's just a bad dream.
It's a fucking CPI candle, bro.
It's coming over and over.
Trump tweeted, yeah. That is crazy. Holy. I don't even know if I consider that a data though. Or wait, there was news, I think. Oh no. Oof. FOMC. And then Trump's speech at 10. Holy. I mean, it is backtesting, so I'm going to trade the AM session anyways, but this is pretty tragic. Typically, this is a no trade fucking week, given everything. Tomorrow, price isn't going to move at all until 10, and today, we're probably not going to get shit. So let's see. I guess we can see how we acted at this 15-minute. But the PO3 looks really bad. Can use this as a little condition to see prices higher or lower. For the moment, yes, it's disrespecting it, but NQ is still holding it. If you didn't have this fucking doom candle. We are respecting it though. Strong rejection wick.
Can't help but feel this is some kind of warning. Mark, it was nothing but a bad dream.
Just have nightmares all the time. If you were little, remember? This time's different.
Remanipulation.
Still real. And if it is a warning, I need to do something.
Internal SMT.
You need to get some shut eye so that you're not half asleep tomorrow and handed that diploma.
Dad's right. Don't let a nightmare spoil your high school graduation. Nightmare? So that's what this commotion is about.
Would you even be targeting at this point? I don't like this at all, I don't think.
I had this one week. Really scary.
Week with no data collected.
Guy wearing a red cape.
Oh, that sounds horrible.
This is all pretty much high resistance targets, you know.
There's something I wanted to tell all you guys. I just didn't know when to, so I guess through the warning state of times I... What is it, Louis? Oh, the generals recruited me on a recon mission to track down my sister, the grifter in Europe, so we're headed for Heidelberg tomorrow. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Clark, I know how devastated you must be, but if you could just keep your tears to a minimum, I'd appreciate
10 a.m. we're about to open up this hourly, but
it. Thanks.
it's PO3's dog water.
Mr. and Mrs. Camp, I just wanted to say thanks for everything. You guys are like the mom and dad I've always wanted to have.
So there is this 1 minute.
I want you to know that you are welcome back here anytime. Actually,
15-minute PO3 is actually pretty good.
I'll miss you all too.
Showing signs of rejection, but
Not so much.
it's about to be 10 o'clock. There's no 10 a.m. news. I don't know. Just up the 15-minute internal or intermediate. This is really a 50. You
I do Miss Lang a favor and
know what I mean?
tidy up the place a bit.
No, I'm saying. What could I target
She left it quite a mess.
if I even were to take this?
What are you looking
For a
for?
1-to-1, I'd have to probably take.
Seal of approval? You know, for a woman without a heart, Genevieve Teague certainly did have a lot of blood. You didn't come here to do a post-mortem, Jeff. What did you want? I'd like to offer trade.
Just missed OTE, the current dealing range.
Lana Lang's freedom. In exchange for the,
Same goes for ES.
possession. Dad, don't you think
I mean,
Stone's starting to order on the fanatical?
ES is displacing pretty good, I'd say.
It was you who looted
Strong rejection. Oh, there might be a 30-minute. Yeah, I'm gonna get a 30-minute. Then go break even there.
Lana Lang has nothing to do with this.
And then
Socialism. You were the gallant hero trying to protect the damsel in distress.
yeah, I think I do too.
Leave her alone.
I'm trying to figure out when I'm backtesting, bro. I literally sit here and think of a setup. Well, we're inside of this 15 right now, but ES already inversed it. But
I expect to see that stone by noon.
yeah, there's a massive gap right here. It's an unmitigated 30-minute, so I'll go break even at that. And then the thing is, we're about to make an hourly too, though. So I don't know. I think I'm still just gonna go break even here or at 10 o'clock. Really good rejection wick. Really strong 15-minute PO3 on both assets. I think this is a pretty good setup. I'm gonna just test our waters here. Internal SMT as well. And I'll just TP at the high.
Sir, better take a look at the right section.
It's Asia session up here.
There, 10 seconds ago.
I'll just take this or a 1-to-1. I don't know. Just because of this massive gap. I don't know if I'm trusting. us to go all the way up. I think it's probably just Q for what's it called? Or it's a break-even trade if I try to push too much. I don't expect us to flush straight to full TP up there with this massive gap. So let's see what we got. Again, break-even here. What the fuck is this? Yeah, when I'm backtesting, I'm very like tedious, bro. Like I don't want to take no shitty trades. Some people backtesting like, oh, got this, okay, taking it. Like I try to be smart, you know what I'm saying? Let's watch another one. Not good delivery whatsoever. Okay. ES is inside, so I'm gonna go break even there, to be honest. ES already mitigated the 30-minute. We have an SMT. Smart move to go break even there if you were to take this. Just need to make sure I'm actually at break even, because if I'm not, then it's gonna count it as a loss. Whatever. I know it's a break even. And there we go. Then we just barcode. This is pre-FOMC. I mean, I don't expect us to get good delivery off of anything, even if we got an A+ setup. But it was smart to go break even there, even if this plays out. My bad for the stutter. Jeez. And obviously, you can't really take anything after that. What the fuck are we looking at? It's like fucking. Okay. Cool. Cool. What the fuck is this? Off of what? The 30-minute? Or the hourly, yeah. Yeah, so that obviously would have been a loss. I'm trying to be a little more strict with my break-evens now, though. Like on live and like on fundeds. Just because of how crazy price has been with break-evens. Like I swear I got break-even rated for like 2 weeks in a row. Or 2 weeks straight. Just break-even rate, break-even rate. So that's a good break-even, but like overall, moving forward, I'm probably going to be a little bit more strict. Anyways, that's this day. Pre-FOMC. My mouse is bugging out. What the hell? Pumped? Again? Okay, cool. We're almost at all-time highs again. Huh. Bro, my mouse is tweaking. What the fuck? Oh, never mind. That's not all-time highs. We're 2025. I'm literally tweaking. Excuse me. One sec. Okay, right now. Okay, what the fuck? I need to fix my mouse. Okay, we're disrespecting higher time frame bullish on the 1 hour. We don't really have, or hard, yeah. Don't really have any 4 hour gaps. Bullish below. Did just give a good rejection off of this ITL. Oh, yes. You have a bullish SMT here. That is likely to fail. Let's see. I'm still higher time frame bullish, obviously, 100%. We check out discount of the range. It's probably pretty far away. Do I expect price? This is something a lot of people get confused with discount. Do I expect price to come all the way down here to this discounted gap, or even all the way down here? Like, probably not, to be honest. Even though it's only 200 points, like I can see price even just hitting this ITL, failing this SMT, and then pushing higher to this DOL, or to this, to these unmitigated gaps and relative equal highs. So honestly, discount would be nice, but if we get a good enough reaction and form a conditional bias with one of these hourlies, I'm perfectly fine with us not hitting discount. We also have this unmitigated 4 hour, which is a good draw. I can see us going down to hit that, and then, bro, there's so many lines in the way. Let me fix this shit. This is basically discount. Alright. Hoping we open lower here. Okay, this is an example. We took this ITL, like I said, and now we have a bullish SMT with ES. No, that's not where it is. Is that where it is? Hold on. tripping.
I wanted to offer you and your parents safe passage out of here with a Corvette. The roads are getting pretty ugly soon. Thanks, but I think we'll be okay.
Internal SMT. No gaps.
Clark, what take the risk? The first meteor shower caused me irrevocable damage. Trust me, you don't want to be anywhere near here when the next one hits. Thanks, Lex, but I think my dad's gonna want to pack up the truck with as much as we can take.
For real.
Some things simply can't be replaced.
No 1 minute. There is a 2 minute up here.
Clark, my scientist
Same with a 3.
identified what seems to be an inner chamber inside the cave wall.
Is there a 4? There is.
I was
And a
wondering
5
if
is opening up in
research
4
in the cave
minutes.
might have turned up anything similar.
No,
No, Lex, why are you so interested in caves when there's a natural disaster
yeah.
headed our way?
That's what I want to see. A little bit more remanipulation, a little bit more structure. Now we built a 1 minute,
They've been around for thousands
and
of years, and they could very well
we
destroy them. They're
failed that SMT, I think, right?
I really need to get help with my parents. Good luck, Lex.
Okay, so we got true manipulation now.
It's our wits and our fortitude.
This is the highest time frame inversion of this manipulation leg.
I'm sure you have more than enough of both.
There are money, yes.
Stay safe.
And we didn't mitigate this 3. Or did we? Bro, I can never tell with this. I don't count this as mitigation, even if it fucking did tick the line. If we get this 1 minute, I think this is really solid. Okay. Only thing I don't like is the 15-minute candle. But we have a 5 minute to go break even at, so. Do I think we're just going to remanipulate this without rebalancing? Probably not. Is this going to be a break even trade? Probably. But, take our chance. Take a stab at her, as Cam would say. Yeah, exactly. Break even, re-enter the 5 minute iFVG because we still have draws above. You know what I mean? This is all LR. Just take it for a 1-to-1 now. If it wins, great. If it doesn't, we have potential re-entry. Even if it loses, I don't really see a reason for this trade to lose, honestly. We manipulated, failed the SMT. I think this is solid. I'm gonna take it. Oh shit! I didn't even see if we have news. We have 10 a.m. news. Price probably won't deliver. Fuck. Always taking this shit 10 out of 10 times. Hear this? That's how you know it's a good trade. Trump speaking, but at the end of the day, we have a pretty solid cushion. That's too bad. Yeah, so honestly, I kind of knew right as I saw that we had 10 a.m. news that we're probably not going to deliver. Is this a bad trade? No, this is a fucking great trade. This is something that, you know, something that everybody should be taking if you trade iFVG's, you know. Get true manip. And usually, like, if we didn't have news and this didn't deliver, I'd be concerned. I'd be confused because, like, yeah, we have other gaps, like this 4 hour, but I guess we're only 30 points away. Let's see what we do after Trump. Okay, yeah. Okay, and we hit the 4 hour. So, not ideal. Kind of had a good feeling about that. Or I had a feeling that that was going to happen. One thing that would suck is if we get the move now and Trump just steals it. Oof. Oof. Okay, we're inside of this 5. That is not a good inversion at all. We're generating LR at this stop. Expect remanipulation to then potentially get a re-entry. But now we have mitigated 5s. Let's take a look at what ES is doing. Same kind of shit. Same shit, different pile. Good remanipulation on ES and NQ. And are they delivering from the 4 hour? There is no 4 hour, but it's the same candle, so basically the same thing. Okay. Longs here might be pretty good, to be honest. We still have this unmitigated. Ooh, is that an unmitigated 15 minute? Ooh, oh, it's not. Not yet. Oh, yeah, it is. I'm jumping. Cool, so we actually have a good target above. I would actually really like a long here. Would really like a long here. If we open up this clean 3 minute. Ugh. That's too bad. Insane. What are we gunning for? Inside of this deeper hourly now. And ES is in this deeper hourly as well. So we have an SMT at this level. I don't know if that's even considered an SMT, because it's not a low. You know, it's a fair value gap, but I call those SMTs. I don't know about anybody else, but I feel like this is so bearish that it could be considered like catching a falling knife if you take a long off here. But like we have an unmitigated 15 above. We just inversed a 5-minute.
Whatever it is, whatever it means.
I think I still really like this. I don't know. Not really married to any setup, but this 2-minute looks pretty nice. Oh, there's a 3-minute. Oh, there's a 4-minute. Do you take 4 minutes? I don't know if I like 4 minutes. This one looks pretty good, but do you take 4 minutes? Yeah. Mhm. I try to stay away from them, to be honest, just because it's kind of like a. But this 4-minute gap is like the nicest one, like this 3-minute shit, and you're going into another 3-minute. So I think the true tell would be if this 4-minute inverses. Okay, see? Exactly. Exactly why you take the highest time frame inversion. Okay? Generating more liquidity. I don't know, this is just like failure to. Fuck, that's pretty nice. That's good momentum. Besides that first rejection candle. But this candle is a no wick bullish, which is what you want to see. 15-minute PO3 for the 15-minute is pretty good. I think this is good. I think I can try to redeem myself with this one. You low key, I might hug the candle stop just to get a good RR. We can't get any good RR. Let's try to find a good target here. I guess this 1-to-1 to this unmitigated 5, but it's inside of a 15. I'll take this for a 1. For a 1-to-1. Damn, that's a big fucking jump.
This is where she gets her powers.
Alright. I have nowhere to go break even here other than the 15-minute, so I'm just gonna go break even there. Alright. Fuck. Gotta go break even here. ES took the 15-minute. Break even. Get some delivery here. No. Absolutely nothing. And it saved me from a loss. So it's better than a loss, obviously, going break even. Had good faith in this setup, but it looks like we don't want to rebalance to the higher time frame PDA. Well, ES did, but ooh, now that I'm looking at it, it might have been a better short opportunity. Obviously the 4 minutes a nice long, but when we get that SMT, if I wasn't in that long position, this 1 minute's actually kind of nice because of the LR that we stacked here. It's also an SMT, I don't know. Could just be being a hindsight warrior right now. But, I don't know, that 4 minute long is pretty good in my opinion. Something I would probably take. But yeah. Ends up flushing afterwards. Alrighty. That's it for Thursday, innit? Right now we're at a fucking. We're at just 1 L. And like 2 break evens. Terrible fucking title for the YouTube. 0% win rate. Good, man. Alright, so now we got fucking barcode galore on the 4 hour. 1 hour looks a little nicer. Failing to inverse this bullish. Or no, we inversed the bullish, and now we're... Yeah. That's so fucking shit. That sound right there, that noise, that just reminded me of a wrong time ago. It was just nostalgic. Learning the skill. Oops. Just banged my fucking PC. Okay, I'm gonna fucking bang this day out. So let me see here. Looks like a fucking massive data wick, but I'm gonna consider this data. Fuck it. We can use it for search and destroy. Or search and destroy. Seek and destroy. Jesus. That COD brain coming out. Golly. Shit, bro. Fuck. Had to clock myself for that one. Jesus. Bro, what are we doing? We're just making 5 minutes just to inverse them. Okay, cool. We got that. That's what I like. True manipulation. Do I really think that we're just gonna pump from that? Let's see. Let's see how we react. Okay. Slight pumpage. I don't know. I'm gonna need to see a 5-minute inverse to even look at this. Yeah. Did I miss something up there? Like, what did we do? Is there an SMT there? No. Okay. Fair enough. Oh, we had... No. Like, what? I got the last taste of it, and I don't even really remember it, to be honest. Okay, wait. Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn minute. This might be not bad. Good 15-minute PO3. Bro, just 2025 is just so confusing. It's like, what do you want to do? Like, I can't tell what Price wants to do. Like, everybody's complaining about like 2026 price action so far, which is like, it's the only thing it's shit for me is break-even raids. But yeah, exactly. It's been really good. I like it. Like, I've gotten a payout, passed a lot of evals, fucking hit some milestones. Yeah, but the break-evens were just out of hand. Like, I don't know what the fuck Nasdaq was doing. It's literally just trolling. I'm gonna go for a 1-to-1 here. 5-minute iFVG targeting this unmitigated 5 inside of this massive 15. Honestly, kind of a 50 trade, given that we have this massive death candle to the downside, but we got manipulation of this low here, which is Asia session, and I don't know. I don't think it's that bad. Got good rejection off of the level. I think the next current DOL is at least this 5-minute, but I think we should be able to just flush all the way up to here. We should. And if we don't, I'm coping. Alright, let's see. It's only been longs this whole backtesting session, not one short opportunity. Need to watch ES for this shit. Flush. Did he go break even? No. About to hit 11. Yeah, ES took it. This is probably break even. We're on season 5 now. Holy. SMT here. If we're bullish, we flush. This is the this is full TP for me. So honestly, if ES takes this, nah, I'm gonna leave it. We're inside of a 15. I'm gonna leave it. We'll let it ride. I think we go. Oh. Holy damn. Like, can't make this shit up, dude. You cannot make this shit up. Genuine rage bait. Watch, it's gonna flush too. No, it's not flushing at all. Anyways, okay, so this week consisted of, I don't know how many break-evens. One loss that was a pretty good loss, but I mean, it was, let's take a look. It says 50% win rate. It's lying. I didn't win a trade. This is a 0% win rate, but again, the loss was, I mean, I could consider it avoidable just because of what I said right before it. You could even replay and listen. But we had Trump speaking at 10, which was like a couple, maybe like 10 minutes away. So typically when we have high impact news like that, or like if Powell's speaking, or if we have, you know, just anything crazy, yeah, like when we have high impact news like that, we're typically not going to deliver as we would on a normal day. Just because, you know, price is kind of just waiting. You know, people are waiting to buy and sell. But other than that, this is just a shitty week of price action. I took the only good trades that were, you know, worth it. Only longs, not one short opportunity. But yeah, thanks for tuning out if you did. Appreciate you, Ollie. I'm going to end the recording.